we?
We are.
OK, so we've got a little tin of wipes.
Yeah.
A duo of those.
Yeah.
S-FIXX 510015, the item number, and £17 is our price.
Yeah. These have been one of the toughest products to get right, and we did it, and it took quite a while to get these to QVC because they are genuinely amazing. These wipes can remove some of the toughest stains, spills you can imagine, off your hands, off your skin, or off surfaces. So it could be in the cooker, the alloy wheels on your car, whatever it may be, breaks it down, cleans it. Now, these kill 99.8% of all bad bacteria as well while using them. That's on your hands or on any surfaces. And they also contain lanolin, which is then used for the softening of skin. So they're very good or very nice to use on the hands. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, Claire, I've got some gloss paint. Let's say you're doing a bit of painting at home, and you get it on your hands, or you get it spills onto the floor, and you panic. You don't need to. You take one of the super wipes, you go over that area in a circular fashion, and it breaks that down straight away, conditions the skin, kills the bacteria, leaving it perfectly clean, OK?
Would that work on a carpet if you'd done a drip on the carpet?
Absolutely.
It would.
It'll take. The only problem you've got when you use it on a carpet is what you'll find is that the area that you've cleaned will be cleaner than the... No, I mean serious. So you end up with a patch that's cleaner than the rest of your carpet.
OK,
so that's the only
be really
thing.
Careful. OK.
Now, I didn't actually get a chance to talk to you about this, Claire, but would you allow me to put this silicone on your hands or not? Do you trust me?
I'm going to trust you.
Come on, then.
I didn't like to do that thing on the...
Go on, then. Put a little bit on there like that, OK? I've not put a lot on, right? And I will be nice to you. I'll give you the super wipes.
Right.
You take them. Let me just take one of these piece of tissue. And what I want you to do, hold our hands up like that. We're going to show the difference. You're going to go in a circular fashion, pressing on and clean it off. And I'm going to use this to show the difference. Go. Press nice and hard. Go in a circular motion.
Oh!
Now that...
Hang on.
Take some more wipes if you need them. Go round, circular.
Oh, wow. Right,
Can you see how it's breaking it down?
Yeah.
Now, the difference I'm having is I'm actually just spreading.
Done. Ka-ching!
See the difference?
Yeah.
OK. So, these break that down, cleaning your hands. So I need to obviously now go to the super wipes. We go over that area.
Smells nice.
By the way,
fresh.
that what I've just put on your hands, Claire, is silicone. Black silicone. It's one of the toughest things to remove. It's full, packed with solvents.
That would just find a way to stay.
There you go.
My
we just clean
hands
that.
doesn't feel dry either, which is good. Because I was thinking if it's that powerful, it's going to get all these things off. It's going to leave your hands... It's going to, like, eat into your hands. That would be my fear.
They have a 3-year shelf life as well. So what about this? You cook or you grill?
Ooh, right, yeah, go on.
So you've got all them bits of food and grime. So you take one of the wipes. We start to go over that area. I'll just do that one there first. Now, let me just hold that one up, just to show you that I've brought that up like new. And you don't have to put any pressure, Claire. These will do the work for you. Go straight over that area.
Do you know what? Actually, you can do an oven clean.
Yeah.
You might even have one that does it itself in your oven, but you can't do your trays.
No.
And you can't do those edgy bits.
No.
And what about the glass? There's like a glass thing at the back of your oven, isn't there? Like
where the light. That's the light. Yeah.
So that would work on this glass.
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, we've got an oven door here that's caked in grease and. We can go so like that.
Yeah, I'm getting that. I know.
Now you're going to have to give it a few seconds to let this penetrate. See how it's foaming up?
It's quite a good, sort of sturdy wipe as well, actually.
Oh, well, they're a fabric wipe.
Oh, I see.
So look how it's now breaking that area.